Hello and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and today I'm getting ready for work again, and I'm going to be using the Voss I love all of you forever. I love you forever. I do. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really super appreciate it. We're on the way to 1,500 subscribers, and I will have super big giveaways for that. We're in the early stages. Don't get crazy, but this is what the palette looks like. It is gorgeous, and I look forward to using this. I haven't used it since I did my first impression, and I honestly don't remember what I think about this palette. So with that being said, let's make an eye look. I'm going to go into Wink here in my crease. And then I'm going to go into, I think I'm going to go into All of You right here. It is a shimmer. I don't like how that's going on. Not so good. Let's try another color. Let's try Wishful. That looks super pretty. And I think I'm going to go into All of Me with my finger and put it on the lid. I need to blend this look out a little. And I think that's a really sweet little office look. And let's do, I'll be back with liner and mascara in just a second. And there it is, mascara and liner. And now for the lippy, even though I'll be wearing a mask, nobody will know, but I'll know. Let's do something pretty and cool toned. Let's do Hidden Hills from Jeffree Star. That looks fantastic. I want to thank you so much for being with me here today and doing another look with I Love You Forever. It's a good palette, even though some of the shimmers are kind of crap, but overall, I'm very happy with it. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.